Hey viewers, you're watching the Savera and I'm Vidhi Joshi. In response to the rising pollution levels, the Delhi government has announced major measures aimed at protecting public health and supporting workers affected by the crisis. Registered and verified construction workers whose livelihoods have been impacted due to the suspension of construction activities will receive direct financial assistance of Rs 10,000 transferred straight to their bank accounts through the Direct Benefit Transfer System. Officials have confirmed that the registration portal for construction workers remains open, allowing more workers to enroll and become eligible for relief. Compensation linked to the GRAP Stage 4 restrictions will be assessed once the curbs are lifted. In addition, the government has mandated work from home for 50% of staff in all the government and private offices across Delhi, in order to reduce vehicular emissions and limit public exposure to hazardous air quality. Essential services including healthcare, jails, public transport, electricity and other critical departments have been exempted from this directive. Offices have also been asked to implement flexible working hours wherever possible. Strict enforcement measures have been put in place and companies violating the work from home directive may face fines. These measures are part of the Delhi government's broader strategy in order to curb pollution while ensuring economic and social support for vulnerable sections of the workforce. Construction activity remained suspended for 16 days during GRAP Stage 3 restrictions, and stricter GRAP Stage 4 curbs were invoked in response to the worsening air quality. The announcement comes as Delhi continues to battle dangerously high pollution levels. The city recorded an air quality index of 498 on December 15, placing it in the severe plus category and marking one of the worst episodes of the season. The previous day, the AQI had already crossed into the severe zone, reaching 460 by midnight. Today morning, a marginal improvement was seen with the AQI at 328, though it still remained in the very poor category. Dense smoke continued to blanket large parts of the city, reducing visibility and creating serious health risks for all the residents. The Commission for Air Quality Management invoked GRAP Stage 4 across Delhi and the wider National Capital Region, including Noida, Gurugram and Faridabad, implementing the strictest anti-pollution measures. Under these restrictions, non-Delhi vehicles that do not meet BS6 emission standards are barred from entering the city, and petrol pumps have been instructed to deny fuel to vehicles without valid pollution under control certificates. Construction activities have been completely halted to minimize dust and other pollutants. Authorities have emphasized strict monitoring and enforcement in order to ensure compliance. The recent smog episode caused widespread disruption, with reduced visibility leading to multiple road accidents and vehicle pileups. Flights were delayed or cancelled, prompting advisories from airline and the Delhi airport. Hospitals reported a surge in patients with respiratory issues, while vulnerable populations, including children and the elderly, were advised to remain indoors. Although stronger winds and thinning fog brought slight improvement, the air quality remains a serious concern, with toxic pollutants continuing to threaten public health. Authorities have urged citizens to minimize outdoor exposure, wear protective masks and strictly follow government directives. The combination of work from home mandates, vehicular restrictions and suspension of construction activities forms a comprehensive strategy in order to tackle this escalating environmental and public health crisis. The Delhi government continues to closely monitor the situation and has called for cooperation from residents, businesses and industries in order to manage the ongoing emergency and protect the health of the pollution. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.